Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You need iOS 14 or later and enough free storage on your iPhone. Sign in to Apple Music with your Apple ID and confirm your subscription status. Have an active Apple Music subscription or purchase DRM-free songs before you start editing. Check settings to allow photos and microphone access for screen recordings. Understand that Apple Music streaming tracks are DRM protected for many uses and may not import into some editors. If you need licensed audio, buy tracks from iTunes or use royalty-free files. Open Control Center and enable microphone audio before starting a screen recording. Swipe to close Control Center, then open the Music app and cue the song you want to capture. Start screen recording, then immediately play the Apple Music track you want to capture to record both system and ambient audio. After the song finishes, or you have enough audio, stop recording in Control Center. Stop recording in Control Center and trim the clip in Photos if needed to remove silence at the start. Import your video into iMovie and tap Add Media to include eligible songs from your library. Use songs purchased from iTunes or DRM-free files for full editing control inside iMovie, because Apple Music streaming songs may be blocked. If you used a screen recording audio track, add that clip into your project as a secondary audio track. Adjust volume, fade, and clip timing inside iMovie before exporting your video to balance speech and music. Export at your desired resolution and check that audio syncs with the final video timeline.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.